In today's 2-minute takeaway, I want to talk about GST and what it means and how we account for it. That might seem pretty basic, but you'd be surprised about how many people are quite confused about this and how to treat it in their books. All of this assumes that you're already registered for GST and that's already been dealt with. I'm Hilary O'Dwyer, founder of Tish Consulting, your virtual CFO. So GST is a sales tax and the ATO charge this on most goods and services. They have pushed the admin onto businesses. Businesses have to charge it, they have to collect it, and then they remit that tax back to the ATO. So the ATO are in a pretty good wicket there. GST operates in two directions. So this means that you're going to charge the GST on your sales invoices and pass that on, and then you're also going to get charged GST on the supplier invoices that come into you. As this is not a tax, it is not a P&L item. These amounts go straight to your balance sheet, which means they are going to be either an asset or a liability. So let's break this down and consider how it actually works with a pretty straightforward example. So let's say you're going to sell a widget for $80 to your customer. That full invoice to your customer is going to be for $88. So $80 for you into your P&L, which is your revenue, and $8 goes to the GST account in your books, which is the tax that's owed to the ATO. Next thing that comes through your books is going to be, let's say, your accounting software subscription for $60. So the charge to you is $60, but the full invoice is for $66, which is plus the GST. So your cost is $60 in the P&L, and the $6 tax that you've been charged goes to your balance sheet. So both of these amounts are now going to be sitting in your GST account in your books. So what do you owe the ATO? You will now owe the ATO $2. That is because you charged someone $8 and then someone charged you $6. So you owe them the net amount of $2. Now, I've already spoken in previous takeaways about how the best way is to save for this or to isolate that money and to simply save that cash. But this is just from an accounting basis, this is how we deal with it. If you want to know how much you owe the ATO for GST at any one time, it will be in your GST account in your books. Now that amount is for the full amount you owe right now, maybe payable in this quarter and next quarter, but that's the difference between cash and accrual accounting. So that is the full amount ever that you will owe, but maybe not in the next batch that's going to come. But maybe we can tackle that in a different day. So hope that makes a little bit of sense. See you next time.